Hi, this screencast is to help you figure out how to assign homework for your kids in ST Math. You're going to click your teacher login after going to the ST Math homepage. My login will look a little bit different because I'm an administrator, but I'll show you how this works. So I'm logging in. Mine, you're gonna see a bunch of different classes, but yours will pop up just your class. So I'm gonna do this for a first grade teacher. So I click on my class. Yours will just be a big bar in the center, and you're gonna click on that class specifically. So then here are your students. You're gonna click to curriculum. And right here is where you're going to find homework. And you can see that these are not checked. And you can either check all of the homes or uncheck them. And then here's your save. You need to click your save so it will save the homework for the rest of if I were to exit out of here or go back right here, it won't be saved. So you click that first before you go back. The other thing to think about is if students tend to work ahead of the class, you may not want to open up all of these options. You may just want to open up one or two options at a time, or depending, let's say you're doing a pattern unit, you could take off homework and then just add the pattern homework as something that they can work on. So that's where you're going to find it. So I'm going to go ahead and introduction to the number line. I'm going to go ahead and click that as homework. Click save, and now you can exit back out of your class, and that's all you need to do to assign homework to kids.